Hi guys, Mike here and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to manage multiple accounts with the Gmail app. The Gmail app for iOS is currently my favorite email client for two reasons. Number one, it's easy to send photos. If you'd like to see my video on how to send photos with the Gmail app for iOS, tap or click on the YouTube card on screen now. The second reason it's my favorite is that it allows me to easily manage multiple email accounts. As of today, I have 3 active email accounts. Using the Gmail app, I can easily manage all 3 of these accounts at the same time. Here's how to add an account. Tap the Gmail app to open it. Tap the 3 bars in the upper left-hand corner. Tap the little triangle at the top of the screen. Here you can see Manage Accounts. Tap Manage Accounts. These are all the accounts I have added. Tap Add Account and choose the type of account you want to add. In my case, Google. Tap Google and tap Continue. Enter your email address and tap Next. Then enter your password and tap Next. Now my account has been added and turned on. Let's take a look. This is the inbox for the account for this YouTube channel. As you can see, I have more messages. You may have multiple email accounts added to the app. If you're not able to see the messages from all of your accounts, here's how to turn an account on. Tap the 3 bars in the upper left corner. Tap the triangle on the right-hand side of the menu. Tap Manage Accounts. Select the account that you want to turn on and move the switch to the on position. The messages from that account will now be added to your message total. If you want to turn off an account, just bring up the menu and tap Manage Accounts again. Choose an account you'd like to turn off, slide the switch to the left, and the messages will be removed from your total messages. Here's how to remove an account. Bring up the menu and hit the triangle on the right-hand side. Tap Manage Accounts. There is no option to remove an account. Tap Edit, select an account to remove, and then tap Remove. Tap Remove again, and the account is now removed. The messages from that account will be removed from your message total. To switch between accounts, bring up the menu and tap the avatar for the account you want to see. This is my account for this YouTube channel. To switch back, bring up the menu again and tap the other avatar.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.